This video will demonstrate the correct way to measure a print or photo that has the image printed to the edge. The ground rules. Number 1. Always use a proper metal tape measure, never a cloth one. Number 2. Always measure everything twice and be precise to the nearest millimeter. Assuming you want to see as much of the printed image as possible, you should measure and write down the exact width and height of the print. If you want to view just a section of the image, you can trim the print to your liking and subsequently measure the precise width and height of the trimmed print. To order picture frames on our website, you should enter the sizes noted down and we will manufacture you selections to fit your print perfectly. If you order a frame without a mount, your print will fit into the opening at the back of the frame. The frame rebate will overlap around 5 mm on each side. If you order a frame with a mount, the mount aperture will overlap the edges of your print by 3 mm on each side. You are now ready to create the perfect design for your photos and prints. Don't forget to check out our other videos which demonstrate how to place orders on our website.